Can't you get an offer of... All right, the title of this video is Can't You Get an Offer of blank, whatever it might be. I have this issue come up often. Okay, people will, the state will give an offer, make an offer in a case. Let's say, for example, the state says the offer is serve 6 years in jail. My client doesn't like that, doesn't want to hear anything about that. Can't you get them to offer misdemeanor probation? Okay, remember, it is critical that you remember, and that if someone has an incarcerated loved one, that you remember that the defense attorney is not in charge of the offer. The defense attorney relays the offer to their client, tells the client what the offer is. The defense attorney negotiates on behalf of the defendant, and might negotiate with the district attorney to try to improve the offer. But at some point offers stop, and you as the defendant have to decide if you're going to accept an offer or not. To give you a kind of an example of how we can put this in another way that maybe you can understand. Let's say that you wanted to buy Johnny's car, but for some reason you and Johnny just never liked each other, or maybe he didn't like something about the way the last job you all worked together on, or maybe he feels you slighted somebody that's a friend of his. So you say, Jeff, I need you to approach John and tell him that you want to buy the car on my behalf and try to negotiate a great deal. That's fine. John says, I want $10,000 for this car, and you say, I'm willing to pay $750. Okay. You may say, well, get John to offer $750. You see, I am not John. I'm simply negotiating for you. I will go back to John and say, I'll tell you what, we're prepared to give you $1,000 cash right now, or, we're going to give you $750 and, free Big Macs for the rest of your life. I don't know, something, some sort of exchange. We'll go back and forth. But just like I don't have the authority to say, here's what John will let you buy the car for, if in fact he never said that. In the same way, I don't have the authority to make an offer for you. The state of Tennessee, in my jurisdiction, the state of Tennessee will say, this is what we'll offer in exchange for your client's plea of guilty. I have a duty and obligation to bring that back to my client and say, here's what the state of Tennessee has offered. The client then can say, good idea, I'll take it. B, the client can say, drop dead, tell them to have a jury trial. C, the client can say, I won't take that, but I'll take this. And we can negotiate. So, the title of the video was, Can't You Get Them to Offer? No, I cannot get them to offer. I can work towards that goal for you. I can work with you. I can try to get you the best deal possible. Hey, I'm Jeff Goldtrap. I hope that was educational, informational, and beneficial. And I want you to go out there and make it a great day.